Welcome back to Product Critique, where we bring you in-depth reviews of the latest products. Today, we're diving into the spooky realm with the best Michael Myers-themed party decorations you can find on the market. If you're looking to add a chilling atmosphere to your next Halloween bash or themed birthday party, this one's for you. The Halloween Party Decorations Bloody Banner by Moonboat is designed to bring a horror movie scene right into your home. It features a set of 4 banners adorned with a variety of classic horror-themed weapons, all splattered with blood-like details. This set is perfect for transforming any space into a creepy carnival of terror. Let's break down what makes these decorations stand out. Made from a thin, bendable laminated plastic sheet that looks like shiny metal, these banners are designed for decorative use. Each banner string is approximately 7.5 feet long, giving you ample length to create the perfect setup. The banners include a total of 40 weapons, featuring everything from butcher knives to hacksaws and scissors. The mix of matte and glossy finishes adds to the eerie realism, making them ideal for horror-themed parties. Whether you're decorating your kitchen, bathroom, backyard, porch, or even your door, these banners instantly set the stage for a bone-chilling Halloween experience. They're easy to hang and come pre-assembled, saving you time and effort during setup. To wrap up, if you're looking to take your Halloween or themed birthday party to the next level, the Halloween Party Decorations Bloody Banner by Moonboat is a must-have. Its realistic design and ease of use make it a favorite among horror enthusiasts. Just be sure to handle these weapons with care, as they're intended for decoration rather than actual use. If you're interested in picking up this product, check out the link in the description below. And don't forget to subscribe to Product Critique for more detailed product reviews and recommendations. Thanks for tuning in today. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Stay tuned for more reviews on the latest products. Until next time, happy decorating and have a spooky good time.